Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, this is actually my first time of trying dreadlocks, so I decided to share with you guys so you guys will see how I will be doing that. Okay, I will leave you all to watch and see as I will be doing my own dreadlocks. Okay guys, please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So I'll leave you all to watch and see as I'll be doing my dreadlocks. Okay, she's using synthetic extensions, so it's not really natural, as you can see. So this is what she will be using. Watch and see as I'll be doing that.